Hi. Hi, good morning to all of you. So, our CAF Hackathon team name is FrontRunners, and we have given the app name as iDefect. So, basically, this is a defect analysis related, and our yeah, here are FrontRunners team members. So, myself, Ramesh Babu, and with me, Sudhin, Gopal, Ranjit, and Manan. And we are waiting for Minerva. She will be joining maybe within this session actually. And so basically, our app is a simple but smart app which gives a lot of information to management, information to developers, information to testers. And actually, this analyzes internal or customer defects and provides input to R&D group to make better decisions and enhance the product quality. So, we all would have heard about business intelligence, but defect intelligence, we will all come to know after the end of this session actually what it does. Our app actually, we need to feed very basic informations actually. Just what is the product name and version name, and what kind of output you want, like the basically most affected module or most affected binaries. So after the release of some particular product, we collect all the defects from any defect tracking tool, and that we need to convert it to most affected module and most affected binary. So this app shows us a graph which binary is affected most this thing, and binary or module both. And we have used all these components actually. So we first collect the data from defect tracking tool, as I mentioned, ALM or Zero, whatever, and convert that to JSON format, and then use elements UI for selection of particular product. And then we inject this data to Vertica or Idol, and then use Analytics API to process the data. And then once again use back the elements to report the processed data. So I would just like to go through the benefits of this app, and this actually motivates the developer. So instead of just everyone works on all module at a time and get complicated, they can actually work on some particular area of the module where we receive maximum problems. Like if any particular binary is providing a lot of problem, some particular skilled team members can work on that and they can resolve the problem actually. And this will help the code review team also. We can involve some more skilled persons to there, and we can do effective code review. And we can also add additional test cases to cover all those nasty codes which gives more problem. So this also saves testing time. Actually, so instead of testing all the modules during regression or during system testing, we can just focus on that particular module which is giving more problem. And as I said, input to the management, so this app can give most affected module, most affected binary, and most affected functions. And we can also, then management can decide, allocate more resources, and then alert code review team. And we can also extend this app to find out more customers, like who is the customer who is logging more defect actually. Then we need to careful about that particular customer and we can work on it. So, but currently in this app we have not included this customer, but if we get the data from defect tracking tool about customer name, that we can get it actually, then we can give this output as well. So, and this reduces the escalation and which leads to customer satisfaction. And so at the end, so management want this actually increased revenue. So if this happens, then we all get promotions and we rewards. Okay, and actually, first day we were very comfortable. I would like to highlight one point that the team members involved all are from testing team. No one is from development team. So we were thinking it will be very difficult. We did not develop much, though we do automation and all, and we were a little bit nervous actually. But first day we wanted to achieve something and we achieved it actually. We segregated our work between two members. Two people were working on elements UI and two were working on database and the rest two were working on analytics. So first day, at the end of the day, we got it everything correctly. Like whatever we wanted to achieve, we achieved it. Next day, we have to integrate all the three. Then lag gaya actually. So and actually, I should say I should thankful to Andy, Julie, and Rajat Nair. Actually, we involved them. Rather, they actually. Yesterday post lunch they were with us only so once we got it, then again we hit up with some issue. Then Bharat has helped us actually, and thanks Yuva and Nagaraj for helping us to organize this. And at the end I want to say, like though we are from testing team, this platform Hackathon has helped us to motivate on our programming skills. So, and yeah, we have just two feedbacks. Element UI we faced first day some problem, like from left hand pan, if we try to open some form, it was not allowing to open on the right actually. So we dismantled left hand everything and we have moved it to right hand only, and the form also opens on right side only. And this course cross domain access issue that we had. So please ask any questions related to this to Rajat Nair, because he knows, or Andy, they know better than us actually. Okay, with this I will just hand over to Sudhin, who can demo the app now. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramesh.
So Minerva is here actually. So she is on right time to demo actually.
So this is our app actually. So what we do is we can select the product and the version of the product, and also what type of output we need. So this is a bit skewed. So we can select the product. Let's say we are selecting the product data protector and taking on the version 9. And we have two options of sorting by modules and by binary name. So if I select modules, so I get a graph. Like it shows me of a graph with the count of defects and against all the modules.
Yeah, actually this is sample data for data protector product and for 9.0 version. So out of whatever defects we have received, within that what all the modules, maximum affected modules is, as you can see, VEPA module. So this is what the intention of this particular app. We can see so we need to work on now VEPA module. So once we get to know the VEPA module, then we can go to the binary level. So what all the binaries are part of VEPA module, we can select that particular binary and which binary is affecting the most. That also we can see.
And also, so we have to reset. So again, we can do the analysis based on the binaries. So the binary name. So it gives us a chart which shows, okay, which is the most impacted area. So based on this, we can get the statistics of current state of the defects against a product and a version. So yeah, that's it we have for demo. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Any question?